Welcome back to Trade a Stock. This is $1,000 option challenge. Today is trade number 12. What we did was a Tesla vertical today. As you saw, that Tesla made a brand new high today, couldn't keep it, started falling down in price with high volume. So what we did is we sold the vertical at the high of the day. So let's check out the chart, let's check out the trade, and hopefully we make money off this.
All right, so here we go with the trade today. We sold the 2130 call right here, and we bought the 2135 call. So right now we're risking $418 to make 82 bucks. So as you can see that we sold the 2130 call. Now if we come to the chart, you could see that it hit 2129 and cannot withstand or cannot stay up to that level. Actually ended up dropping, I think, to 1927, so almost 200-point drop after that. Decent volume right here. Stock is oversold. It just couldn't hang on to that high. And it ended up closing negative as well right here. So it had a nice little range. So I'm thinking by this Friday, it's not going to break the 21.29 price range in 4 days. I think it's going to have to consolidate a little bit, may come down. I just don't think that, since it could not hold that price, I don't think that's going to go above it. So if that's the case, if we're correct and it stays below 2130, then we'll make the $82. Our BABA trade that we initiated on Friday looks like it's going to be in the money. That stock was up $10 today. Let's look at that chart real quick. Give me a second. So we opened up this trade on Friday. We said that we did not think it was going to go below 260, and gapped up today. I think this has room to run. I mean, I have a bunch of other options in a different account, and I believe this is going up to 300. But for the $1,000 option challenge, since we started off with $1,000, we were just basically doing verticals on this, and we did do a vertical play on this, saying that it would not go below 260 by Friday. So let's keep an eye on that. So we have the two trades open right now, the Alibaba trade and the Tesla trade. All right, guys. Well, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Any different recommendations or any thoughts. And I'll see you next time. Bye.